What if the stock market is a language? We're going to look at this from the standpoint of machine learning. I'm not a professional investor. I just work on machine learning and software, and I've been investing for the last 7 years. When I started looking at the stock market, I thought these were just prices. But recently, I noticed that there was something more, something that was in front of us all this time that we didn't realize. The stock market might be a language. Most market analysts would say all events are priced into the stock market, so you don't need to worry about the events. Just use the numerical calculations and try to figure out the trends. But this, even though this sounds right to me, I thought we pack all the knowledge into a price, but we blindfold ourselves when we try to project the future. How can we build a model without understanding the world? I think this is a fallacy. Only seeing a piece of it can be misleading. Why do people like Warren Buffett do so well? It is because he takes a look at the world as a whole before investing. In natural language processing, words are embedded, so meaning can be extracted. The same idea can be applied to stocks. I'm not talking about simple sentiment analysis, which actually do pretty well. So what I'm talking about is extracting out the idea from the information that is given. For example, think about Word-of-Vec. It has concepts of general language understanding. It's able to put several things together, and it can yield an idea. So it's really good. We saw simple things like queen is to woman as king is to man, or blue plus red is purple. These are very cute examples. But what if you said more complex statements like the market is down plus stressful election plus pandemic minus jobs? What is the output? This could start giving you more complex answers and searching in this very high dimensional space. Or what if instead of using words, you built another Word-of-Vec model that used stock market data that is normalized integers that were placed together like words in a sentence? Remember, I said analysts often say the news is priced into the market. Well, if that's true, then we can extract the stock percentage embeddings. Remember, embeddings are like word embeddings, but we use percentage embeddings. In other words, it is a language. If we treat stock data as a language, we can build models that can understand patterns far beyond the classic head and shoulders pattern or the shooting star pattern. These ideas would sound like a caveman to a model that understands true market language. By using language models, you're going beyond predicting the next price. Predicting the next price is like a baby trying to figure out the next word. But using a language model is like a person trying to predict their next idea. The stock market is intelligent because it takes all the world's information by a consortium of people and is encoded into a price. Instead of looking at the market as a number, look at the market as a language. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next one.